So we took one day off from wheeling one, and we're driving down, coming back into Moab after doing some sightseeing, and big gust of wind comes. Driver's side rear fender just gone, flew off. I look back, I see it fly off. Semi truck runs it over. Just pull off, go grab it. All the plastic clips, just not all of them, all but one, ripped off, just disintegrated. So we're gonna put some Loctite on some 1/4-inch bolts. Problem solved. But now I really need to build those custom fenders I was talking about. So I got no excuse now after EJS fenders. Should be good, but I'm putting Loctite on them just in case. But just 1/4-inch bolts with washers on both sides. Got to be a lot better than those plastic clips. So
Hell's Revenge is a 16-mile trail, and Red Rock 4-Wheelers has it rated at a 6 out of 10. And this was going to be our last trail that we were running while we were in Moab. This first optional obstacle, the Gladiator made easy work of, and as you can see, that extra wheelbase helps it climb right up. Like every other trail in Moab, the views were absolutely stunning, and in a couple spots, the Hell's Revenge trail actually intersects with the Slick Rock bike trail, which, as you'll see in a second, we saw quite a few mountain bikers out on the trail that day. That was pretty cool to see. What is also similar to a lot of other trails in Moab is that Hell's Revenge can be ran by a wide array of vehicles. I believe we saw a stock 90s Toyota pickup truck out there, and he seemed to be doing just fine. So you don't always have to have an extremely modified vehicle, which is one of the coolest things about just Moab in general. The trails are really accessible. It's not like the Rubicon trail where you're going to be having a pretty difficult time if you're not properly built. Right about here, the group stopped for lunch, and Sean in the red LJ and I decided to go down and then come up Hell's Gate. Of the guided group, we were the first two people to go ahead and tackle Hell's Gate, which I thought was pretty cool.
Nice.
Now, I'm sure you guys have seen this online many times, and this video is just not going to do it justice. This is a very steep, very awesome obstacle, and it's one that I was not going to pass up. The Gladiator handled it with ease, and I'm just going to let you guys watch all the different rigs go up Hell's Gate.
Woo-wee! Nice job. Dang, that was sweet.
Here you can see how effortlessly Sean is able to go up in his really well-built LJ, and I'll have more on that in a second.
Right there. The little driver. Right there. Hold that line. Hold that line. Now turn driver. Driver. Driver.
asking why I am showing the LJ going up again, well, Sean happened to let me drive going up Hell's Gate, and I can say that I was very impressed. It was my first time driving a rig that was built that much with the Atlas, the 40s, the coilovers. Man, I got a lot of work to do. The Gladiator.
Yeah. So, how was it?
This is like driving Rose TJ all over again.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
You go to Craigslist and really listen, start looking.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh, I already do all
It's
the
on
time.
Craigslist every day.
I am on Craigslist every day.
How's that gearing, huh?
Oh, the Atlas, man. I don't think they make them for the JLs and the Gladiators.
See.
But yeah, getting an Atlas.
Yeah.
It pretty much it has like the same crawl ratio that we had when we had the Samurai.
Right,
with the
yeah.
doubler,
Yeah.
but you got more than just four speeds. So
Right. Jeez Louise.
We didn't have time to check out the hot tubs on the trail, or as you guys can see right here, this is an optional line called the Escalator, and you can get some good body damage in there. The group didn't go through that way, so we didn't have time to check that out, but next time we come to Moab, we're definitely going to be hanging out in some of those spots. This was the last sort of major obstacle on the trail. I believe this one is called Tip-over Challenge, and you'll see the wheelbase of the Gladiator help and the 4-door Jeeps do really well. And if you look closely, we have some footage of a 2-door, and you can see just how tippy it really can get with the 2 doors.